One of the many useful features of lead-acid batteries is that they can be recharged. We will discuss the two most widely accepted methods of charging batteries, namely slow or trickle charging and rapid or fast charging. Our first demonstration is with a typical slow charger. Batteries should be charged on a rack, not on a concrete floor. Ensure that the charger is switched off at the mains plug. Select the voltage range switch to the output voltage of the battery, in this case 12 volts. Turn the current rate control switch to the minimum rate. Securely connect the charger leads to the battery posts, connect the red lead to the positive battery post, and connect the black lead to the negative post. Switch on the power to the charger at the mains plug. Adjust the charge rate control until the ammeter needle moves to the desired rate, but not into the red zone. As a general guide, set this to approximately 5 ampere or calculate the rate at 1/10 of the ampere-hour rating of the battery. Refer to the Seibat battery specification manual for details on the charging current. Depending upon the state of charge, it may require up to 14 hours to fully charge the battery. Note that the charger current will decrease as the battery approaches a fully charged condition. This is a normal characteristic of this type of charger. The battery will begin to gas when it is approximately 70 to 80% charged. At this time, check the specific gravity of the electrolyte in each cell to ascertain the level of charge. Thereafter, check every hour until 3 constant, fully charged readings are obtained. At this time, turn the current rate switch to its minimum setting and switch off the charger at the mains plug. Remove the charger connections from the battery and wipe the battery top with a clean paper towel. Return the battery to service. After the break, we will discuss rapid or fast charging techniques.